guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Diamond Mine. So today is exactly what the title says. It is how to secure your wig without using any type of glue, any type of gel. In this video, I'll show you guys how I do my glueless method. In my opinion, you get the same result as a glued down wig, especially if you're a girl who likes to have options. You don't want to, be dealing with the frontal. A frontal can be very high maintenance and expensive. This wig, by the way, is from AliPearl hair. I'll have all of the deeds to this wig below. I'm going to also try to put AliPearl name in this video, which I'm going to start doing because there's so many companies stealing my videos now. I literally have to put the company name in this video because it's ridiculous how many people are getting scammed by these companies that's using my videos and the hair looks nothing like the video. So anyways, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So this is the transparent lace frontal wig from AliPearl hair. As you can see, I did go in and bleach the knots to give off a very more natural look. So this is the 1-inch elastic band that I will be using to sew on this lace frontal wig. Now when I'm sewing on this elastic band, I want to make sure I bring the band back behind the hairline so you don't see the band through the hairline. So I've taken a threaded needle and I'm going to go through the elastic band as well as the lace, making sure to not pull too tight, causing the lace to bunch up or to not lay flat. And I'm going to continue this method until I get to the end of the elastic band. Also, guys, keep in mind that when you are sewing on an elastic band to your wig, you don't want your band to be too tight, nor do you want it to be too loose. You want it to be just right. If it's too tight, it's going to give you a headache. If it's too loose, it's not going to feel secured at all. So make sure you measure the band before you sew it down to your wig. And this is what one side of the wig should look like. Doesn't have to be perfect, but it does need to be stitched straight across without lumping up the lace. And of course, you want to make sure your thread does not come loose. So I'm just going to tie a couple of knots on this elastic band. And this is pretty much what the elastic band should look like after you have sewn both bands down. Also keep in mind that the bands need to be going in the same direction, going inward, as you can see here. Properly laying down your elastic band will also ensure that your wig lays flat as well. So after I have sewn both ends of the elastic band on this wig, this is pretty much what it looks like, and I'm going to go ahead and put it on. Now this wig is a little too big for my head, so I did use the elastic band that comes in the back to tighten the wig a little bit more. And before I do any type of cutting on the lace, I like to pull all my hair to the back as well as press all of the hair going in the same direction. So cutting the extra lace off around the ears is just basically going to give you a more natural look, and is also going to help with the fitting. Now when you're doing this, be very careful, guys, not to cut your ears because it's very possible to do so. So when it comes to cutting off the lace, I like to start off with cutting off a little bit of the lace, going in a zigzag motion, and then going back into the lace later after styling and cutting off more lace. My thing is, I don't want to cut off too much lace at the beginning and really hate that I did that. So that's pretty much why you see a lot of lace now. So you get 4 inches of parting space with this wig, which is pretty decent. I have no complaints with that. It's a heck of a lot better than, the 2 inches of parting space that you can get sometimes from other wigs. So I am going to do a side part with this wig, and I think I'm going to add like some curls and stuff. I don't know yet. I'm just going to play around with the hair a little bit and see how I feel. Also, guys, keep in mind this is a lace frontal wig, so you are going to be able to see some sort of lace, especially if you're up close and personal. So what I like to do to hide the lace a little bit is doing baby hairs. To me, baby hairs is a must. It makes the wig look better in my opinion, and like I said, it does hide the lace and give off a little bit more natural look. So I like to use hair mousse to push the hair into the hairline and style my baby hairs, because I don't have to worry about the baby hairs gunking up if I use gel, and I don't have to worry about the baby hairs being way too hard or way too stiff. And plus, I do my baby hairs like over 3 or 4 times before I finally get the look that I like. So the hair mousse definitely helps with not having the hairline stiffen up or flake up or whatever. So I do like to use this Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine oil, which is really nice, y'all. I use this for my own hair, actually. That's just how much I love this product. So yeah, I am going to add some curls to this hair, and I'll be back. I forgot to mention this, but because I was styling my hair, I did go ahead and tie up my hairline. Because this wig is not glued down, I knew that curling my hair, I would be kind of pulling on the wig, and I didn't want the wig to move. So that's why you see the wrapping of the hairline. And so this is what the wig looks like after I have curled it and I have done something to that hairline. And it's actually pretty nice. Like, I am really loving my new frontal technique. Like, okay, sis, we see you. You look different. Okay. So, yeah, I'm just going to keep practicing this technique because I really do like it. So I am going to add some small layers into the hair because I do like for volume to be at the top of my hair. Now, the original texture of this hair is straight, so I'm not expecting for it to really hold a curl like that, but I do like this wig, so I am going to go ahead and put some flexi rods in this wig because the flexi rod curls hold a lot better with straight hair than an actual curling iron. So yes, honey, wig is looking real nice right now. Real nice. Okay, now I gotta give myself credit on this one. This wig looks good as hell. It really does. Like, girl, you did that. You really did. And it's glueless, bitch. What? Yes, girl. This wig is nice as hell, though. I just really wish that it would hold a curl, but it's still giving life, though. Like, it's still super duper cute. But to finish off the look, I'm going to add some concealer to the part just to define it a little bit more. This concealer is I don't remember, but it's from my local beauty supply store. Basically, it's like a throwaway concealer. So I'm just going to apply that all over the part just to make sure there's no little black dots peeping through. And this is the wig, girl. Yes, this is a look. Oh, and I did not come to play, bitch. Want this wig? All purchasing information will be below. Bye, guys.